Here are 5 things to remember about porcine parvovirus. The parvovirus is a non-enveloped virus. They are therefore very resistant in the environment. They can resist high temperature, desiccation, and even some chemicals. In comparison, herpes viruses are very sensitive viruses and die easily in the environment. Additionally, parvovirus are ubiquitous. They are present everywhere around the world and are present in any porcine industry. They are present in the United States, in Europe, and in Asia. Parvoviruses can cross the placental barrier and therefore are transmitted from the sow to her offspring, to the piglets. This is a direct vertical type of transmission. However, even if the virus infects the piglets, that doesn't lead to abortion in sows. You need to remember that. It's very misleading and it's a common misconception. Parvovirus doesn't necessarily lead to abortions, even though it infects the fetuses. Because it infects the fetus and can cross the placental barrier, the most indicative sign of an infection by porcine parvovirus is the mummification of fetuses. The fetus will die inside of the uterus of the sow and become mummified. The virus infects one fetus after another. Therefore, when the sow gives birth, you will see mummified fetuses of different size, increasingly bigger. You can also have a few piglets that will be born alive, but they will be weak and smaller. Number 4. Diagnostic of porcine parvovirus is mainly done through clinical signs because they are pretty specific with those mummified fetuses of different sizes and at different stages of development. However, we would also take samples from the mummified fetuses, take tissue and test them by PCR or polymerase chain reaction to detect the DNA of the virus in the fetuses. Vaccination is the main way to prevent clinical signs in the farm. It is very effective because parvovirus do not mutate a lot. They are pretty stable and the vaccine is very effective. It doesn't prevent infection, but it will prevent the appearance of clinical signs. In the United States, sows are vaccinated at each weaning for a combo vaccine that contains parvovirus, leptospirosis, and erysipelas.